Namaste, dear viewers. Today, we embark on a divine journey. This is the story of Lord Vishnu, the protector of the universe, taking his second incarnation, the majestic Kurma avatar, the great turtle. In the celestial heavens, where time flows like sacred hymns, sage Durvasa walked with divine purpose. In his hands, a garland, not just any, but one blessed by goddess Lakshmi, he approached Indra, king of the Devas, and offered it with reverence. Indra, absorbed in his power, casually placed the sacred garland upon his elephant, Airavata. The elephant tossed its mighty head, the garland fell, and was crushed underfoot.
This was not merely a garland. It was the goddess's grace. You have insulted the sacred. Pride blinds you. Let the fortune of the heavens vanish.
The curse struck the very core of Swarga. As the curse took root, the glow of the heavens faded, flowers drooped, melodies fell silent, joy turned hollow. And then, the heart of divine fortune, goddess Lakshmi, left Swarga. She quietly stepped into the ocean of milk, where purity remains untouched by ego. For where pride rules, grace cannot remain. Weapons rusted. Temples dimmed. The Devas, once radiant, grew weak. The Asuras rose. With fury and hunger, they stormed the gates of Swarga. Indra was defeated. The heavens, now empty of grace, fell into the hands of chaos. Defeated and broken, the Devas turned to the preserver, Lord Vishnu. Vishnu, ever compassionate, appeared and spoke.
To restore peace, you must churn the ocean of milk from its depths. Everything will be back again, and so will Amrit, the nectar of immortality. But remember, this task must be done in unity, even with your enemies.
The Devas and Asuras agreed. Mount Mandara was chosen as the churning rod. Vasuki, the mighty serpent king, became the rope. But when the churning began, the mountain sunk. Too heavy, too deep, beyond the strength of gods or demons. Then, from the depths of eternity, arose Kurma, the divine turtle form of Lord Vishnu. His massive shell rose beneath the ocean, lifting Mount Mandara upon his back. He bore the burden of the world, so the churning could begin. And from the depths, came gifts of wonder. The celestial horse, Uchashravas. The divine cow, Kamadhenu. The radiant jewel, Kaustubha. And at last, Lakshmi. She rose upon a lotus, the heavens rejoiced. Last came the Amrit, the nectar of immortality. The Asuras, driven by greed, tried to steal it. Then appeared Mohini, Vishnu's enchanting form. Graceful, wise, divine. She distracted the Asuras and gave the nectar to the Devas. With Amrit consumed, power was restored. Heaven reclaimed. From unity came redemption. Even gods must bow to humility. Lakshmi returned not to power, but to where love and respect lived. If you liked our story, like, share and comment.